Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Aries. So in this video, I'll be installing this 20-inch deep wave wig from Amazon. It's a 13x4 lace front, and I will be bleaching the knots. And this is only my second time doing this. The first time I did it was some years ago, so I'm still not very familiar with this process. But I started with 2 scoops of the Color Charm powder, which was way too much. I really only needed like 1 scoop, maybe even half a scoop, but I was going off of what I saw other people doing. And then I started pouring the 30 volume developer a little bit at a time until I got a toothpaste consistency, and I let it sit on the lace for almost 30 minutes. So now I'm going to rinse the bleach out, and I'm going to use the Shimmer Lights shampoo to tone the knots or the lace. I don't really know. So I shampooed once and I rinsed it out, and I did my little bald cap method while the hair was drying. For my bald cap method, I usually use the Got2b spray, but my sister had that, so I tried glue for the first time, and it worked pretty good. So I went ahead and cut the holes in the ear, and I used 1 layer of the glue around my hairline, and I let that dry before I covered the front of the cap with powder. Okay, so now it's time to glue the wig down. I put the glue halfway on my wig cap and halfway on my skin to help hold the cap down even more. And I did a second layer of glue after the first one dried. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to lay the wig on the glue, and this is the part that I can just never get right. I feel like I always pull the wig too far past the glue or something, and it doesn't help that these Amazon wigs are always so small. Well, okay, maybe my head is too big, but either way, it's really tight, and y'all will definitely see my eyebrows are going to be snatched back. So yeah, I always end up cutting off so much lace and some of the hair too. So I definitely need to practice with more wigs because it's been the same problem every single time. After I cut the extra lace off, I'm gonna pluck a lot around my hairline to make it not look so crazy, and then I do my baby hairs. Alright, so this is what my hair looks like when I'm finished. I really love the curls and how full it looks, but I am going to show y'all what it looks like when it's wet. And yeah, I don't think I did too bad with the bleaching. It looks good on camera and when I'm indoors, but for some reason when I went outside and I saw myself in my car window, it looked a little orange. So I don't know what that's all about. I'm gonna have to YouTube how to fix that. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe and leave a comment if you want, and I'll see y'all in my next video.